Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can organize your Canva workspace. I mean how you can easily find your document that you need for any quick interaction, or maybe you need to want something to edit the design and find it very quickly inside your Canva dashboard. Basically there are some ways you can just organize anything and find any document very quickly. So for this you can just go to your project section, and here you will see all the project that you have done till now. You have all the designs here. So there is also one more solution that you can also create folder. The first option is you can create folder. So just go to the folder section. You can see this is our basic folder. It will be here. What you uploaded, it will be here. What you star mark, it will be here. So to create a new folder, you can just click a new folder, just add new, and then type a folder. So I just say social media designs. So this is the folder that will be for my social media designs. Now I can just drag and drop the social media document here. So now the next option is to filter a document through the type of the design. So here what you can do, if you want to search for the social media designs, you can just go to just right here category, and you can see this is Instagram post. Then I will see all the Instagram posts that I have designed through this option. So what I can do, I can just select it right like this, and if I want I can just move to the folder. You can see this is option in the bottom. You can see move to folder. Just click on this and then select the folder where you want to move, and then click move to folder. So by this way it will be automatically moved to your desired folder. Now if you want to find any document very quickly, you can just go to the folders like social media designs. You will get the option to see what social media design you have done. There is one more way you can do it by creating folder in a month name, and you can also filter it through month. So if you want to add some folder, like you can just create a new folder and say it like this is May month, May 2024. I'm just creating this folder name. Now this is our May 2024. Now you can, what you can do, you can just modify these dates. You can just filter it. So let's say only 30 days from now. You can see this will be all the design that I have created in this last 30 days. This will be in this category. You can also see how you can change the view and grid. So what I'll be doing, I will just filter it through this and just say last 30 days, and then I can just move all the designs. Like I can just select the designs that I have created here. I can just select like this, and then I again move to the folder that I have created by the names, the May 2024. That's it. So by this way you can organize your Canva workspace easily, and you can find your desired design inside your Canva workspace. And to see all the design that you have created, you can just go to the design section, and you will see all the design that you have created inside the Canva. So I hope this video helped to organize your Canva workspace easily by creating folders and moving designs to folder, and you can organize them by moving one by one or in multiple at once. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.